Hello and welcome to Timmy Sen again for an unboxing of a brand new Matchbox boat. We have the Hydro Cruiser, and I'm not sure of the year. Oh wait, it's the 65th anniversary, so you can figure that out. I forget which year that is, but it's a 2017 copyright, made in Thailand. And I got a bowl of water to see if it floats. I don't see whales on this guy, so maybe it just floats. Oh, it's got that extra protector. Got some of the, looks like some of the paint right there. You see that? Right there. Whoa, it does come apart. Haha! Alright, so it comes with the waves. Let's put that right there before it falls. Plastic bottom, 2 rivets. And I'm not sure why. Okay, so it's part of the middle. So what does it say on there? Hydro Cruiser MB 1015. Toy code. All the copy you're looking at is metal. Gray is plastic. And white is plastic. And this is also plastic. Looks like this kind of snaps into there, but not well. It kind of rests in there. Does it float? Oh, it just sank like a stone. It totally sank like a stone. Oh, and it flips over without it. But you've seen that. You've seen it yourself. Ready? It's up high. Ready? Right to the bottom. That's terrible. Terrible. I really had high hopes for that. I thought for sure. I mean, come on. Right? So if I went and brought this to the lake, I would have just lost it. It is kind of heavy, too. It makes sense that it did not float. And there's no wheels on it at all. So you can't roll it on a track or nothing. Right to the bottom. And this is the funny part, too. Whoop! Try that again. Boop. First it sinks. First, let me see. Well, if you're not dead, now you are. Die, die. Die and die again. Alright, I'm sorry. Having too much fun there. But, I don't know. Kinda cool casting. Just nothing really worked out like I thought it would. And this is from the MBX Off-Road, the Hydro Cruiser, 65th anniversary, 2017 copyright. This does not stay. It just rests in there perfectly, though. I don't know, man. Just seems like a lot of work to play with it. Let's see. Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa. What was that? What was that? Did you see that? It floated. Okay, I made it up. Didn't float. High hopes, though. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And till next time. T10 out.